Point number 7, don't entertain that group of friends that you know is not serious about school. If you have a set of friends that are just not serious about school, like they're always joking around, always making noise, you guys you hardly ever talk about school. If you have those kinds of friends that only talk about school when it's like, there's pressure and there's an assignment due and someone in the group has to have done it and y'all are all just trying to copy from that person, you red flags everywhere. Like, I'm not trying to say cut them off or whatever, but if you do, it might help you. Just limit the time you spend with them. Limit the time you spend with them, and then if you can, I can say something like try and change the conversation so that you guys talk about school more, but some of these things do not happen overnight. You're better off just just put them aside for a bit. Like, legit, you're really not going to, you're not going to lose anything.